This phone is causing a buzz in the market now because of the amazing features that it came with. Join me as we look at these features together in this video. So, design wise, I think that this phone has a very beautiful design. Infinix always goes that extra in their design. It is not like the regular things we have around. It's just so fine. It is bulky a little bit in the hand because of the inch is 6.7, so I think it is cool. And the pouch too is unique. It's not like the regular. This is a plus for Infinix. The color you're getting matches the color of the phone, so I think that is a pretty cool spec there. The phone comes with Android 16, which is a leap from the former 15 that we used to have in the Infinix Hot 60. It comes with this wonderful big charger, yeah, with 6,000 milliamp battery. I wasn't expecting anything less because I mean you need a fast charger for a big battery. And this earpiece is very interesting. Like Infinix now has type C earpiece. Wow, it's usually iPhones and Samsung that do this, but coming into Infinix, it is a very interesting feature, right? It also has this SIM ejector pin for your SIM tray, which is nothing out of the ordinary, just two SIMs and the memory card slot. Now the phone has this lovely Infinix AI I always love to talk about, with a dedicated button by the side, of course. This is pretty cool because most AI platforms now you need to pay heavily for it, but this one comes with the phone. You can use it to delete items from your image, can use it to do a lot of things. Infinix is giving this for a little price if you ask me. And we tested the camera. This video was taken zoomed. I'm going to leave the video at the end of the video so you be the judge. Overall, I think the phone is pretty cool. Aside the storage, which is still the regular 4x4 128 gig, I think the phone is pretty cool for its price. The big battery with the AI feature and the processor, which is very basic, I think Infinix has done justice to this gadget. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please do well to subscribe and like and share this video. It will mean a whole lot to us. Thank you for staying with us. Bye.